What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we had a good break of one full week. That's sort of because I was in middle of planning something. So before we talk about that, obviously we have a fantastic unboxing today, like I had posted on my Instagram and also on the community tab on YouTube. So we've got one of the recent releases from the Off-White Dunk The 50 collection. So we're going to take a look at that. But before we get into that, I have something really important to talk to you guys about. So I don't know if you guys must have noticed, but I put up a poll in the community tab of YouTube and also on my Instagram asking you guys about your opinion, because I was thinking to start a second YouTube channel for the vlogs. So basically most of you guys were for the decision and some of you guys were against it. Now what I believe personally is that why some of you guys had said no for it, or probably said it does not really matter, because I think you guys did not really understand what I am trying to say. So basically my idea with this is this channel is going to remain as it is. There's going to be no changes in this. We are going to have some vlogs and stuff like that. We'll have some fun around, but everything is going to be solely related to sneakers only. Now the idea behind doing a second channel was to include other things of my life, because a certain portion of my audience, that is you guys on this channel, want me to do some daily vlogs, and you guys really enjoy some random vlogging and things like that that me and Harsh do together. So that is what I was considering the second channel for. So basically बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बोल दिया मैंने पहले, एनी विच वे से भी बेसिकली हो गया. सो फिर से सो आ गया. तो क्या बोल रहा था मैं, भूल गया. So the second channel is majorly going to be about everyday life of mine as a sneakerhead or as a YouTuber or anything else. Basically, I just want to give you guys a deep insight into my life, other than when I'm unboxing sneakers and talking about sneakers. Also, second major reason to do that is because I started this channel I think around over 2 years ago, and the idea to start this channel was not really to grow or make something out of it that way. It was a very simple object, that is to share some knowledge that I have about sneakers, about buying things, you know, and from where to buy, how to buy, stuff like that. Basically a short guide and stuff like that. So that is what this channel for. And over the last couple of months I thought that I'm probably losing some focus on that topic, because we are kind of drifting away apart to other things also, and that is one thing that I do not want to do. Basically I want this channel to be the one-stop solution for any new person's guide towards sneakers in India, and I want to obviously maintain a certain level of professionalism and a standard of editing which I am kind of losing by doing random vlogs over here. So that is the second major reason why I want to do that. Now talking about the second channel, what we're going to do there is probably going to be some daily vlogging. It's going to be about watches, about cars, about anything and everything else other than sneakers that I do personally in my life. And obviously, like I said, I want to give you insight into my daily life. We will try to do a lot of vlogging, a lot of daily vlogs. We'll talk about things that are not really important. So basically it will help you to kind of get to know me better and build a better connection. So yeah, that was the idea about that. Now I have not yet decided if I'm doing that, because I'm very worried about even a small portion of people who are saying that I shouldn't be doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the post over here on the screen. I want each and every one of you watching this video to go on that community post and give your vote, and if you think I should not do it, then comment over there or comment over here, wherever, why you think I should not do it. And also if you think it's a good idea, then do not forget to like this video already before we even started. So that's all I want to talk about and discuss with you guys. I hope you guys are going to give me some valuable insights, because everything that I'm doing is for you guys. So if you guys don't think I should do it, then I will not do it. So yes, let me know. Alright, so here are the sneakers that we are going to be unboxing today. Obviously, like you all already know looking at the thumbnail. And there is Wags, who is here after one full week of break. How do you feel feeling useless and not doing anything for me in the past 1 week? कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, तू बहुत छुट्टी मार लिया. अभी फटाफट we have to make 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and continue with this channel. Alright, one more thing, very important, I totally forgot. Since the last video crossed 10,000 views, obviously because it was a Travis Scott sneaker, so we are also picking up a third winner for the giveaway in today's video. Third winner, I think, Max, total 4 winners we had to pick. Do winner choose kar liya. Alright, so this is correct. This is the third winner that we're going to be picking up today. And the fourth one depends if this video crosses 10,000 views as well. In fact, let's make it 15,000 now because 10,000 seems to be really easy. So 15,000 views and 1,500 likes, and we'll pick the fourth winner in the next video. So let's start with today's unboxing. Here is the box from Off-White Nike. As you can see, obviously going with the recent, in fact not recent, even this has become old now, the recent, this design language from Virgil Abloh with the circular cutouts on the box and the yellow wrapping paper and stuff like that. So yeah, that being said, by the way, I don't think these guys know yet if it is a lot 1 or lot 50. They were pata hai na, there were total 50 sneakers of the Dunks. So lot 1 and lot 50 are the most limited ones. So I put up a poll asking people to guess if it's the lot 1 or the lot 50. But surprisingly, it was very neck to neck. I thought you guys will understand pretty much, be sure about what I must have got. But nevertheless, it's neck to neck. So without wasting any more time, let's dig straight into it. So on this box, on this side you have the usual label with the sizing and stuff, and this is where you have all the numbers marked of the 50 sneakers. And obviously if you can see that I'm hiding this portion, that means we are having the lot 1. No points for guessing that one. It's the lot 1. Alright. Here are the sneakers. Wow. As usual, we don't need the box. Alright, so these are the Nike Off-White Dunk Lot 1 from the 50 kinds of sneakers that released. So let me just give you a short brief, not that you guys don't know about it, but obviously if you're taking a look at a sneaker in detail, then we got to talk about some backstory of the sneaker. So the Lot 1 is in this white colorway with a metallic swoosh, and the Lot 50 is in the black colorway with the same metallic swoosh. Now both of these sneakers are said to be, or rather believed to be, in the most limited quantities compared to the others, and obviously we can see that with its current resale pricing. The release was pretty awful. I think it wasn't really fair because people got it only via exclusive access from Nike sneakers, which we don't get because we don't have an app yet. We only have the website and we don't get exclusive access. So no, we did not get this release here in India, but you may never know if we do see a wider release later. And even if that happens, it is once again believed that the Lot 1 and Lot 50 will not drop again. And currently, from what I'm hearing, there are roughly about 3,000 pairs of Lot 1 and around 3,000 pairs of Lot 50. Nothing sure, please do not quote me on that, we have no idea. Anyways, taking a look at the shoe. So first things first, obviously I got this shoe from StockX, as you can see the tag. Now talking about the upper of the shoe, it feels really nice and really premium looking. There's use of leather and I think canvas or sort of ये शॉर्ट का शॉर्ट क्यों हो जाता है मेरे से कभी कभी यार, पता नहीं. So yeah, leather, really nice buttery leather, very soft with some use of canvas or mesh. I'm not sure what material that is, and the overall design of this shoe we have already seen in the Off-White Dunks that released couple of months ago or maybe a year ago, I don't know, with the crisscross lacing on top, which looked absolutely disgusting in the other colorways. But in this colorway I feel they look nice because it is in white and the upper is also in white, so it is not as confusing or distracting. So I think they look really neat. This time around you get the white zip tie on this one. The laces of the shoe is also in white. I don't think I saw any extra laces in the box. Even if there are, I don't care because I like it how this is. The best part about this one particularly is the sort of yellowed vintage style outsole and obviously the the exposed foam on the tongue, which is also obviously pre-yellowed. That gives it this full vintage look, and you don't need to worry about getting them dirty as much because the exposed foam on the tongue are the first things that go yellow in some time. Anyways, apart from that, you have another circular cutout on the tongue and sort of a rat bite on the corner of this tongue. And yeah, that's about it. The insole is white. I thought it would be in some other color, but nevertheless, you have these lace loops for the crisscross lacing in mint green, which is why I'm wearing a mint green hoodie. You get the point, right? And this orange tab, which is why I'm wearing an orange cap. So yeah, just kidding. So yeah, these were the Off-White Dunks. Now I got these for about $900 because I was pretty quick onto it from StockX, like I said, and I was lucky enough for a seller to accept it at that price. Currently they're selling for over $1,200 in almost all the sizes, and I personally believe that they should go up in price because in hand they are really nice. I was very confused if I should get the black one, the lot 50, or this one. Like most of you guys thought I got the black ones, but I did not. But what I thought is, let's just get the white one and play it safe first and see how they feel. Now going by how I like this sneaker, I think I will order the black one as well, so we might see that soon on the channel as well. So yeah, that's about it about these sneakers. Now let me quickly put them on feet and show you how they look. How do you like these shoes?
ओ भाई
ये क्या अंकल बन के गया है आजा? ये क्या पहना है? क्या है पोलो टी शर्ट?
तो क्या हुआ? ओहो
कैसा है बोल ना?
मस्त है.
So I'm thinking I'll get the black one also because half the people thought I got the black one, but I got the white one. But I like the shoe now, so I'm thinking I'll get the black one also. By the way, अपने को विनर भी सिलेक्ट करना है आज क्योंकि लास्ट वीडियो 10,000 क्रॉस हो गया. For next last winner, I have said that this video has to reach 15,000 views and 1,500 likes. ठीक है ना? 10,000 तो इजीली हो जाता है ना, 15,000 करते हैं ना.
तो ये वो मस्त है यार, इसका आउटसोल.
आउटसोल ना?
जॉर्डन
प्री एयरलोड.
जॉर्डन 2 जैसा.
कौन सा जॉर्डन 2? नहीं, वो तो डिस्ट्रॉयड है ना, एक का डिस्ट्रॉयड है.
हां डिस्ट्रॉयड है बट वो सेम.
अच्छा, बाय द वे, व्हाट इज योर थॉट? शेयर विद पीपल अबाउट द सेकंड चैनल. मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है व्हाट आई मेंट बाय इट. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? What is your thought?
Yeah, it's better because
people want to see you eating pizza, no, every day. So we need another channel for that.
Of course.
All right, so let's go ahead and pick the third winner for the giveaway. First, this time you have to see the profile and decide. ये बच्चे भोगते रहते हैं बाहर यार. Wags, ये बच्चों को काट देगा ना? बच्चों को काट देगा ना? All right, go ahead and see who the winner for the giveaway is. Congratulations, you have until next video to DM me. If you don't DM me before I start shooting the next video, then we'll pick another winner. And also don't keep your profile on private because like we said, we're going to see your profile and decide what sneaker we should be giving away to you. And yeah, that's all from me for today. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about these lot 1 Dunk lows, and also don't forget to check the community post and share your opinion over there about the second channel, because if everything goes right, then I'm planning to start that in the next 2 or 3 days. And yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. We will be discussing the upcoming sneaker releases for the month of September. And yeah, that's all. Anything else? Alright, peace.